Hello, dear kids. Today we are going to watch another exciting story video. Are you ready for it? If you're ready, do like, share, and subscribe to all other cartoon for kids. So let's start the story. Vibrant jungle. Shera the lion roars from the top of a hill. His roar echoes through the trees, making all the animals stop. And listen, he is the king of the jungle, and everyone respect him. But today something feels different. Shera feels a bit lonely today. At the other side of the jungle, Pintu the mouse, small but full of energy, he walks through the underbushes of the jungle. He's always on lookout for new adventures and friends. Today he is determined to explore beyond his usual hiding spots. Pintu dreams of meeting a mighty lion, the Shera. Pintu is busy exploring, he accidentally bumps onto a Shera. The mighty lion is startled and roars loudly. Pintu, through the frightened, bravely stands his ground. "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you, mighty Shera." Pintu quacks, trembled. Shera stops roaring and half chuckles. "Why are you afraid of me, little mouse? I'm just joking with you." Shera sighs deeply. "I'm lonely," he says. "I may be the king of the jungle, but I have no friend to talk to." Shera looks sad. Pintu's tiny heart swells with empathy. "I may be a small, but I am a good listener. Maybe we can be friends." Shera smiles for the first time that day. Shera and Pintu spend the whole day together. Shera shows Pintu the highest trees where he loves to rest, and Pintu scurries through the undergrowth, finding all sorts of hidden treasures. They laugh and they share stories, and they realize that make a great team together. "I am so happy today, Pintu. You know, you are my best friend now." Shera the lion is look happy today. A strong wind blows through the jungle, rocking over a big tree. Shera tries to move it, but it's too heavy for him. Pintu throws the small scurries under the tree and find a way to wiggle through the branches. He calls for Shera to push it from other side, and together they manage to move the big tree. All the animals of the jungles gather to celebrate Shera and Pintu's friendship. They dance and sing, and everyone is happy. Shera stands tall with pride and says, "It doesn't matter how big or small you are. True friends always help each other. Just like Pintu, he's a good friend of mine, and I like him very much." As the sun sets, Shera and Pintu still on a hill watching the stars. Shera speaks softly. "You have taught me something important, Pintu. No one is too small to make a difference." Pintu smiles and replies, "And no one is too big to need a friend." At the end, Shera the lion and Pintu the mouse remain the best of friends, proving that no matter how different we are, kindness and friendship can bring even the thing unlikeliest of friends together. So this is it for today. I hope you like the story. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. We will meet you in the next exciting story. Until goodbye.